Good afternoon. Colin Gainham from Karen Paul and Associates. I'm here today to give you a virtual open house of our new listing at 611 Pheobe Crescent. Here we have a 3+2 detached home in the Pinedale area in Burlington. This home is minutes away from all major highways as well as GO stations. Commuters, easy access everywhere. Also, what's beautiful about this home and rather unique to the times, it has 5 bedrooms. Realistically, if you don't need that much space, easily can be converted into home office space. Everyone's working from home right now, and this home certainly caters to anyone's needs. Right as you walk in, you'll see it's an open concept floor plan. Right away, we have the kitchen off to the left, straight views through the whole property as well as into the backyard. We have a powder room right off to the right, as well as direct access from the double car garage. I know everyone right now is spending a lot of time at home, and one of the complaints that we receive on and on from our clients is the lack of storage space. Well, guys, this has it. It's a full double car garage, more room and space than you could use. So as we continue down, we're going to go into the kitchen area first. We have tile and hardwood throughout on the main floor and a beautifully redone kitchen. You can see lots of sitting space, stainless steel appliances, upgraded sink and faucet, beautiful backsplash, and a big one about here, guys, again, it's about storage, tons and tons of cupboard space. As you continue forward into what would be the dining area, as well as the family room, you can see, again, open concept, hardwood floors throughout, and gorgeous views of the fully fenced in backyard. So we have a raised deck and as you can see, fully fenced and gorgeous. So we come down the stairs, we have sitting area that has patio. So you can either have your barbecue set up on the second tier of the deck, entertaining down here, and again, it's a direct walk off from the kitchen and the dining area. Another thing to point out is this large egress window. You'll see when we get into the basement, it is perfect for if people are using the downstairs bedrooms as bedrooms, or if they are going to use them to office. The natural light makes a huge difference. So off to the side as well, there's a little fenced off area. Again, if you have pets, anything like that, this is a perfect home for you. Okay, we'll continue back inside. Okay, so again, just to get our orientation, kitchen, dining, and family room. So we have a gas fireplace, and the hardwood goes throughout, great condition, and it looks great. Also should point out the entire house has been recently painted. They did a fantastic job here. It's white throughout, nice, bright, and it's one of the first things you notice when you walk in. I hope the video is giving the perception of that. So as we continue down to the basement, there's 2 bedrooms below grade here. So again, guys, if you're working from home, you need some office space, this home has it. So downstairs we have a full 3-piece bathroom, standing shower, excellent sink. Continuing forward, we go through, we have the laundry room. Another big thing, guys, is a sump pump. More and more, buyers and homeowners really are catching on to the fact that they are very important to have. This area certainly is not known for any severe water issues, but hey, it's better safe than to be sorry. So we have a storage area. Again, tons of storage here, you guys. That's under the stairs. Okay, everyone, I just lost connection quickly because I was in the basement. Here's that I'm still going live, so I'll just quickly run down there, finish off down here, and then we'll go up where the signal is stronger because I really would like you to see these 2 bedrooms. So bedroom number 1 in the basement, double closet space as well, good size window. And here's the big one. Great, look at that natural light. This was recently installed, and Okay, we're back again, lost connection for the second time, so we'll stay out of the basement area. We're on the main level right now, and now I will take you upstairs. So one thing again I would like to point out is the amount of natural light that's coming in. It's a beautiful sunny day, so that certainly helps, but oversized windows throughout, and even you can notice at the top of the stairs here, not in a room, just lighting up the hallway. It's fantastic. So we have hardwood throughout the 3 bedrooms that are up on the second story, and we're going to begin here. So we have a window. This is the master bedroom, and we have a window that is facing west, so you have great sun exposure all day long. We have a double closet that is built out, and recently renovated private ensuite. So standing shower, it's a 3-piece standing shower, toilet and a sink as well. Fantastic job. Colors are right on trend, and they did a fantastic job with this renovation. Moving on, we're going to go into bedroom number 2 that's upstairs. Again, great size. Every bedroom, even the 2 that are downstairs, are quite substantial. So typically, well, not typically, but sometimes you can have a house where 2 or 3 of the bedrooms are great size, and then you get one that sort of got cheated and it's a lot smaller. Well, not the case here. And again, tons and tons of storage. Okay. We're going to go into the 3rd bedroom. So guys, this is the 5th bedroom in this house. We are just above 1,400 square feet above grade, and the use of space here is fantastic. We're offering this property at $1,098,000, and we're open to offers anytime. So if you have any questions, please chime in. You can drop a name or reach out directly over Facebook, and we'd be happy to connect you and give you all the information about this lovely property. So here is the second bathroom upstairs. Again, recently renovated, matches the master ensuite as well. It is a 4-piece in here. So there you have it. We have 611 Pheobe Crescent here in Burlington, and we're being offered up for sale at $1,098,000. Fully fenced, detached home here in Burlington, and I'm just going to give you one more walk around outside, just so you can see the full beauty and exactly what it looks like. Again, lovely little sitting area, and you can enjoy on your porch, fully bricked, and let's have a look. So there you have it, guys. 611 Pheobe Crescent. Please reach out to Karen Paul and Associates if you have any questions about this lovely new listing in Burlington.